How to log in BPI Express Online Banking account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into BPI Express Online Banking account. For that, you want to launch open any web browser. Then search for BPI Express Online Login. Now tap on the very first option which says BPI Online Banking. It will directly take you to the login portal. Here you will have to enter your credentials. Start by entering your username. After you have entered your username, next step is to enter your password. Now you want to tap on the login option. If the details you have entered are correct, you will be successfully logged into BPI Express Online Banking account. In case you have forgotten your username, tap on Forgot Username option. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the password option. Now, in order to reset your password, you will have to enter your username here. Then select the type of product you have. So you can select deposit account, debit card, credit card, or loan. Then you will have to enter the specific details here. So if you select a debit card, enter your debit card number, then enter your date of birth and tap on the continue option. Follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.